Yo, yo, yo! Grow a garden update will be insane. New fruits, brand new fruits will be added into the game. Mythical fruits, crazy mythical fruits, dark matter fruits, crystal fruits, flower fruits. We got lightning strikes. We even got lightning strikes, and I'll be literally showcasing to you the lightning strikes right now because it's gonna be a new item in the game. Look at the lightning rod. So as you guys can see, it's a mythical item. This will cost a bunch of money, probably in the hundreds of thousands, maybe even million. Maybe this thing might even cost a million. So you better grind, okay? You better grind, you better subscribe, you better like the video right now, you better get your money up, because you will need millions of dollars to buy this thing. And as you guys can see, it redirects lightning bolts, predicts 3 times before being destroyed. So you have to protect your crops against lightning, otherwise your crops will be demolished by lightning. The thunder god will destroy all your apples. Be prepared for this update, because we're getting new fruits added into the game. Look at all these new plants. New flower plants. There's some crazy new flower plants being added right now. You can see this will be the new fruits. One of them might even spawn in lightning, okay? These will actually release in the game right now, so you better be prepared, okay? You better actually be prepared. Otherwise you will miss out on all these crazy flowers that they are literally adding into the game. And also guys, do not forget to comment down below Buddha, okay? They actually might add Buddha fruit into Grow Garden, okay? They might actually add Buddha fruit into Grow Garden. This will be the craziest update ever. Easter event as well. One of these plants might even grow eggs, so they will actually grow eggs in Grow a Garden. For the super seed pack, comment Buddha and I'll be literally choosing 2 winners into this video for a super seed. You'll be obtain a super seed with a rainbow plant or a golden plant. Other than that guys, like the video right now, subscribe,